Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your controllers on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe your Joy-Con controller just isn't working correctly, or maybe the sensors are off or something like that. Well, you can just go ahead and try updating it, and this is easy. Let's go to System Settings right here and select A on this. Now scroll on down under here till we get to Controllers and Sensors. Then go to the right and scroll on down. And here we have Update Controllers. Update connected controllers. Some controllers cannot be updated. So we can select A on this, and it says all controllers are already up to date. So I literally just did this, and it showed the controller, and then it gave me a percentage from 0 to 100%, and it updated the left stick, and then it updated the right stick, and it came back and it said this screen. So definitely come to the section if you haven't updated your controller in a while. If it's been like a year or something since you got your Nintendo Switch, maybe there's a new patch to prevent like the stick drift happening or something like that. So look at this section. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.